So today I'm going to show you how to change your search engine in Brave browser. You want to change your search engine. How do you go about it? So you need to open the app. Once you open the app, okay, so what you need to do is you open your Brave app, click on these three dots. Once you click on these three dots, scroll down and click on your settings. Once you click on your settings, you're going to see search engine. Click on search engine. Now you can change your search engine. You can see you can use standard tab. You can see is it Google that you want, is it this one. You can change it to any of this one, and you can also change your private tab to any of this one. If you want to change your private tab to Google, you can just click on Google. You want to change anyone, you can just change it to any search engine here, and you can also show browser suggestion, show top. You can do any one of this one too. So it's very simple. Just go here and go and change it. If I change it to Google now, I'll also change this private to Google. Let me go and check. You're gonna see that it's going to change to Google now. Let's go back and see, and you can see it's going to be Google. You can see, so if you want to change it back, it's very easy. Just click on these three dots and then click on your settings. After the settings, click on search engine, and go back and take it to Brave, and this one too, change the private to Brave, and that is very simple. You can say, and it's going to be Brave directly. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.